Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Wix for a while now and you are currently asking on how to actually add a logo to your website, edit it and see the other option. So in today's small tutorial, we're only gonna talk on how to actually do so, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, number one, make sure you open your device are fully connected to the internet and all of that. Go all the way and look for Wix.com in the search bar. After this, tap on the website and go ahead, use your email address and password so you can connect your account. As for now, we're gonna go and look at these options including the setup, home, site and mobile app. Let's go to this one for now. So as you see, I already have this template which I have been working on. We can also go and tap on design site. It may take some time to basically download, but it's totally fine. Site actions and all of this. You can also see and hire a professional if you want to. It depends on your time. Analytics, marketing, customers and lead, inbox, and all of this other options. So as for now, we have this home, menu, about, contact, book a table. So we're gonna tap on add elements here if you want to add a logo for example. Then go all the way and tap on image. Then tap on upload image. Basically, tap on upload image here. Okay, we're gonna check it. They're gonna ask you to drag and drop files here. So upload from computer, then select your logo and drag the element into your header. And that's it. Basically, all we're gonna do now is link the logo by selecting it, then click link, set it to home so users can click it to return home. And that's it. Basically, all you're gonna do next is resize and align. Then make sure you save it and publish. So thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.